Hi friends, I'm Lado Ochotnikov. In this video we take a quick look at the upgraded Metaforce system. Consider only the key changes in marketing. I will tell you in more detail in the next video, but for now we will omit that part of the information that has already been given and left in the same form. Updated marketing is a real revolution. Although the essence remains the same and the conditions for the participants themselves are not infringed in any way. From the very beginning, the main focus in Metaforce was on the product, on the client, and on the anti-pyramidal model. In the development of the product concept, we are now focusing on the metaverse since it is in the closest stage of completion. And besides, we are already formalizing the products of the metaverse legally, which is especially important in the context of the situation. The previously mentioned info products and internet marketing tools are being postponed indefinitely to focus on what we will be ready to present very soon. So, we have reshuffled our product lines. In the classic program, there are tokenized things, both physical and virtual. In the Uniteverse program, these are the main components of the metaverse. The Boost program includes games that will be located in special separate spaces of the metaverse. In one of the upcoming videos, I will reveal to you a strategy that will attract a stream of customers who will be interested in our product specifically, even without knowledge anything about marketing opportunities. The starting point of our turnover is our customers, our users who will buy the product. Purchases will be made in our main coin. In this case, the user can simply buy without registration. If he buys being registered, he can participate in our discount cashback program. If you are a registered participant, then for each purchase you get a cashback of 6% or more. Your discount in the form of cashback tokens can reach a maximum wholesale discount of 50%. Such cashback in the form of tokens is instantly distributed from each purchase. To increase the discount level, you need to participate in the Matrix marketing program using cashback tokens. The first level of the Matrix gives a 10% discount. The second level, 14%, then increases with each level and reaches the maximum percentage at the 11th level. For the 12th level, we have something else in store in the program. Everyone who bought a product using a referral link but did not register gives you the discount, and you get the maximum percentage of cashback tokens you are entitled to, depending on your level in the matrix. If the buyer who came through your referral link is also entitled to a discount, then you get the percentage difference. For example, if you are level 6, then you have a maximum of 30%. And a user comes through your referral link who registers and receives his 6% in the form of tokens. You, in this case, get 30 minus 6 equals 24%. At the same time, both the participants himself and his upline partner are interested in raising their level. After all, the higher the level of your invited partner, the faster your matrix advances, and the faster the partner's business develops, and he creates more turnover. When the partner you invited invites another, he will also be entitled to a percentage in the form of cashback tokens from his sales. If you have a higher level, then you will get it. For example, you invited Nick, who invited Marie. At the same time, you have the 11th level of the matrix, and Nick is the 6th. Marie registered and bought the product. She gets 6% of the sale in the form of token. Nick, 30 minus 6 equals 24, and you, 50 minus 30 equals 20%. Thus, you can receive a percentage of your entire team from any referral depth if you have a higher level. As you see, you are interested in level up, and you need your invitees to level up and develop their business, helping their teams as well. But if your partner has reached level 11, then he has a maximum discount of 50%, and you do not get your percentage of discount from his sales and from the sales of his entire team, even if you are level 12. For the 12th level, there is something more interesting, an extra referral program up to the 3rd referral line of partners of the 12th level, taking into account compression. This referral program is already calculated from the turnover of the product. Product turnover is its volume of wholesale price, that is the amount remaining after the distribution of all cashback tokens. Of this amount, 20% is allocated to the referral program for the 12th level in the matrix. If you are level 12 and there are no level 12 partners in your team, then you get 4% of the turnover from sales of all your team. If you have a partner with level 12, then you get 8% from his turnover as well as 4% from his entire team. If there is a partner of the 12th level under him, then this is considered the second line for the partners of the 12th level, regardless of how deep he is in the referral connection. From the turnover of a partner of the 12th level of the second line and from his entire team up to the next line, you get 8%. And from the turnover of the partner of the 12th level of the third line and from his entire team up to the next line, you get 4%. Thus, everyone is maximally motivated in their growth and in the growth of their partners. And this means ideal condition for teamwork. To increase the matrix level, you must participate in the program which will require cashback tokens, each of which is provided with a force tokens. What can you do with these tokens? If you do not want to participate in the matrix program, then you can simply sell the cashback tokens to those who wish. These tokens can be freely bought and sold. If the user does not participate in matrix marketing, then he is given 30 days to realize his tokens, otherwise they will go to his inviter. If you are involved in matrix marketing, then this program is just designed to increase levels and receive payments from the matrix, which can be received already in main coin. Using the opportunity to buy such tokens from other users, you can, if necessary, speed up process of activating matrix levels. Matrix marketing itself has already been described in another video and in PDF presentation. The difference is only in token used. Now, at the pre-start stage, participants use DAI to activate the matrices, and they receive SFC, which can either be exchanged for a product or used as energy token. Upon reactivation, you receive SFCR, which can be as equal to the value of SFC, provided that the sales volume of the product is backed. Previously, I referred to this as the Classic Plus volume, but Classic Plus is abolished in the modernized version of marketing. The new version of Matrix will already work on the cashback token. Each token in the matrix is generated by the sale of a product. When paying for matrix marketing, cashback tokens are burned and you get the main force coin. When you activate a level, you will receive token for energy, which can be used for royalty NFT upgrade. But the coefficient will be already lower than SFC and SFCR. Other programs will work on a similar principle. However, the pre-launch of the Uniteverse program should be singled out separately, in which at the startup stage there will be an IDO of main coin. 30% of the turnover of all products is distributed to royalty bonuses, which require status NFTs to receive. This is a powerful tool of motivation for the development of our entire community. The description of the royalty NFT program is already in separate video. We will look at all aspects in more detail shortly. Now it will be easier to do this, because for all the versatility of the system in the modernized version, it has become easier to study. We have worked out an infinite numbers of details to make Metaforce efficient and successful, while being as decentralized as possible, but also legally thought out. All our paths must be protected. Behind us is the Force. We are with you, Force.